So NASA is tracking an asteroid called Asteroid 2018 SM1 that is supposed to almost graze Earth today, September 27, 2018. NASA is keeping a close watch on it, but I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about whether or not this asteroid is dangerous right now on I.O. What is good? This is Inform Overload, where we keep you up to date with everything happening on the internet. I'm Charlotte Dobre, and occasionally on this channel, we like to keep you informed on NEOs, otherwise known as near-Earth objects, like asteroids and meteors that are potentially hazardous. And the asteroid I'm about to tell you about is going to pass by Earth at a dangerously close distance. Very dangerous. By the way, make sure you follow the I.O. team on Instagram, our links are posted down below. The asteroid is called Asteroid 2018 SM1 and it's up to 160 meters wide. It's actually passed by Earth before, back on October 17, 1962. According to NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, it's traveling at a speed of 2,370 miles per hour, which translates to 3 miles per second. It is set to be at its closest to Earth today, September 27, 2018. It'll pass by at a distance that's 6 times the distance of our moon to the Earth. This asteroid is about the size of the Big Ben clock tower, which actually isn't that big compared to other near-Earth objects. Even though 160 meters wide makes this asteroid quite small in relation to other asteroids, if it hit Earth it would cause mass devastation. The Chelyabinsk meteor was only 60 feet wide, but it was undetected. It exploded over Russia and injured 1,000 people, and this was in a rural area. If an asteroid entered Earth's atmosphere in a more densely populated area, the injuries and deaths could have been much higher. So what is NASA doing to protect the Earth from asteroids? Well, back in June, the US National Science and Technology Council released a study on space rocks and what needs to be done to protect Earth from them. But unfortunately, according to a 2017 paper from NASA's Near-Earth Objects Science Definition team, it's only possible for them to find about half, or less than half, of all the asteroids that are bigger than 2018 SM1 by 2033. Half is it's not a lot. As you probably know by all the I.O. videos we've done on asteroids, there are a lot of near-Earth objects. That means that a good chunk of them will not be found, so it could be entirely possible that NASA might not find out about a deadly asteroid in time. Asteroid 2018 SM1 is orbiting, so that means it will enter our solar system again in 2 years. Who knows, maybe this time it'll come closer. Its next flyby is set for November 25, 2020. This isn't the only asteroid that's supposed to fly past Earth in the near future. A skull-shaped death comet is set to fly by Earth just after Halloween. How appropriate, a skull-shaped comet is going to come and kill us all right after Halloween. Not quite. Even though the title Death Comet sounds pretty scary, it's only called that because it is a dead comet. And also because it looks like a giant human skull. Check out this GIF of the Death Comet, picked up on radar images from the Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico. The Death Comet, named 2015 TB145, has actually come really close to Earth before, back in 2015. It came really close to hitting us. It flew past at a distance of 310,000 miles. But this time it's going to pass by at a distance of 24 million miles on November 11th, so no worries. Alrighty guys, that is all I have for you on that. It is time to respond to some comments. These are from our video about the 7 Awesome Kids scandal. Seeing Fire said, thanks for explaining this situation. I didn't understand Philip DeFranco's video on this. Really? I didn't actually see Philip's video on this story, but he usually does a pretty good job of explaining that, so I'm surprised. Fryhead said, your dad is a man. No way. Now that is news. Do you want a job at I.O.? Awesome Bizzard said, you need to start a kids channel. Well, our main demographic on I.O. is 12 to 18 year olds, so in a way this kind of is a kids channel, but I know a lot of adults who watch I.O. as well. Mainly me and my mom. Jolly said, every video I've watched on I.O. has Charlotte in it. Yeah, I'm the main host on this channel. It's been that way for a couple years now. Solar Star said, everyone wants to get a heart or comment from I.O. I just want a comment from the Potato Queen herself. I can do better than a comment. Here is your feature and thank you for being a subscriber. Unknown Profiler said, will this potato stuff ever stop? No. Welcome to the end screen, this means the video is over. Don't you worry though, there's a playlist right over there that you should definitely check out. And obviously if you enjoyed your time here, smash the like, subscribe, and notification bell, and I will see you in a future I.O. video.